Hi, my name is Jan. I'm the co-founder of Datamolino, and I will show you how to use Datamolino with Xero. Datamolino helps you automate your bookkeeping process. Today, I will show you the basic usage and some tips and tricks to save you time. Datamolino uses folders to organize your data. The MyFolders dashboard gives you a quick overview of all your Datamolino folders. You can use it to connect your accounting and also to invite your colleagues or clients into the folders. Each folder has an email address that can be used to upload data into the folder. Let us create a new folder. Click on the Add Folder button, choose a folder name, choose folder currency, click Create Folder. Now connect to Xero. You're done. Now let's share a folder. Invite your coworkers or clients to collaborate directly in Datamolino. Ask your clients to upload documents to you through Datamolino, where you can pick them up digitally without hassle. To upload files into Datamolino, you can use the web upload, you can forward an email, or you can use our mobile apps for iPhone or Android. To upload, just click Import Files and follow the wizard. It's really easy. Your processing starts immediately. When Datamolino has finished processing your data, you can find it in your folder. Just click on the folder name to access the folder and review your transactions. Our data is ready. Now, let's export an invoice. Click on the invoice to enter the document view. Here you can review the data and choose your export settings. First, pair the supplier name with your contact in Xero. If necessary, create a new supplier contact directly from Datamolino. You can choose your export destination. We support bills, bank transactions, and expense claims. Let's start with bills. And assign the correct ledger account, tax code, and tracking categories. Save, click Export to Xero, and you're done. The export button takes you to the next invoice in line, so you can keep exporting invoices one by one without interruption. Your data is now in Xero. Let's have a look. There is a link in Datamolino that takes you directly to your Xero document. All your data is now in Xero, and no keyboards were harmed in the process. It is possible to export multiple invoices at once to Xero. Just select the items that you want to export, click Export to Xero, review the coding, and scroll down to the Export button. Use this multi-export function when you are confident that the captured data is correct and you can safely export it to Xero. When you export a supplier invoice for the first time, we remember the settings. These settings can be controlled in the Supplier Automation dashboard. Click the Supplier Automation button to access the dashboard. Use the search to find your contacts quickly. You can easily control the defaults for each supplier. You can choose the export destination. You can also choose the approval status in Xero. Remember that all the drop-down menus in Supplier Automation dashboard are searchable. This helps you find what you need quickly. Now some additional tips and tricks. You can easily sort documents within the folder by using the tabs above the document list. Give it a try. Explore all buttons in Datamolino. They give you additional options that are really useful. There is duplicate detection in Datamolino. Now, let's upload a duplicate file to see what happens. We detect file duplicates. Files that have been previously uploaded to Datamolino are not processed at all unless you wish so. Sometimes it happens that you first upload an electronic PDF file, the same invoice comes later in the mail and you scan it into the folder. If we find the matching supplier name and invoice number, we flag it as a duplicate. When you upload electronic PDFs or scans with good scan quality, Datamolino is able to capture line item details. You can then edit the invoice on each line, as you would in Xero, and export it easily into Xero. And now we have all the line items in Xero. If you export it to drafts, you can still edit the invoice. We always attach the original image of the invoice to your Xero transaction. It is possible to export all transactions into CSV or Excel files. It is also possible to export the originals into a zip file. Everything is at your fingertips. Use the search. It can come in handy when you need to find a specific invoice, or you can use it to filter out the specific supplier that you want to work on first. The search function also allows you to filter invoices based on dates and prices, so give it a go. Have a look at the folder settings. There are some additional options that may come useful. You can edit the email address of the folder to make it shorter, for example. Control the spam protection filter for the email uploads. And edit other settings for the whole folder. The customer support is built right into the application. Click on the chat bubble and start a conversation with us. We are happy to help you with any of your questions. On some occasions, you may want to use multiple folders for the same company. There is a little trick on how to connect these to the same Xero organization. When you click the Connect Your Accounting link, just choose the Select from Existing Xero Connections shortcut to choose an already connected Xero organization. Connect all the subsequent folders into this organization using this shortcut. Do you need to process sales invoices? We can do that as well. Just look for the sales shortcut on the MyFolders dashboard. Thank you for watching this video. It was a new experience for me to do such a voiceover. I hope you enjoyed it and that you will enjoy Datamolino as much as we do. Thank you very much.